Hey everybody, it's your friend the Coin Mom, and let's talk about velocity banking. It's no secret that a HELOC, a home equity line of credit, is often considered the golden ticket for velocity banking. But guess what? It's not the only game in town. You might be thinking, what if I don't have a HELOC or can't get one? Then we simply move on to what is available. Don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, we're diving deep into some fantastic HELOC alternatives that can supercharge your velocity banking journey. We're talking personal lines of credit, business lines of credit, and how they stack up against traditional HELOCs. So grab your notebooks and let's unlock the secrets to financial freedom. All right, let's kick things off with personal lines of credit. Now these bad boys are like the friendly neighbor of the credit world. They're super accessible, even if you don't have a ton of equity in your home like you would need for a HELOC. Think of a personal line of credit like a flexible friend who's always got your back. You can borrow money when you need it up to a certain limit and pay it back on your own terms. This flexibility makes them perfect for velocity banking, as you can access funds quickly to make those extra mortgage payments. Now you might be wondering, Jamie, what's the catch? Well, interest rates on personal lines of credit can be a bit higher than HELOCs, but don't let that scare you. Remember, we're playing the long game here. The key is to be strategic with your payments and pay down that line of credit as quickly as possible. And hey, if you've got good credit, you might even snag a lower interest rate. It never hurts to shop around and compare offers from different lenders. Remember, knowledge is power, my friends. So arm yourself with information, compare those rates, and find a personal line of credit that aligns with your financial goals. Now, for all my entrepreneurs and side hustlers out there, let's talk about business lines of credit. These are like personal lines of credit, but on steroids. They're designed specifically for businesses, even if your business is just you and your brilliant ideas. One of the coolest things about business lines of credit is that they often come with higher credit limits than personal lines of credit. This is a game changer for velocity banking, as it gives you more firepower to make those larger-than-life principal payments on your mortgage. Another perk? Interest paid on business lines of credit can often be tax-deductible. Now, I'm not a tax professional, so always double-check with your CPA, but this potential tax advantage can save you some serious cash in the long run. Just like with personal lines of credit, interest rates on business lines of credit can vary, so shop around and find the best deal for your needs. Don't be afraid to negotiate with lenders, too. Remember, you're a savvy business owner and you deserve the best possible terms. HELOC versus the alternatives, which reigns supreme? Okay, let's get down to brass tacks. How do these HELOC alternatives actually stack up against the real deal? Well, it all boils down to your individual circumstances and financial goals. HELOCs, with their typically lower interest rates and potential tax advantages, have long been the darling of velocity banking. But as we've seen, personal and business lines of credit offer their own unique advantages, especially if you don't have a ton of home equity or prefer more flexible borrowing options. The key is to weigh the pros and cons of each option and choose the one that aligns best with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and get creative with your approach to velocity banking. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution in the world of finance. What works for one person might not work for another. The important thing is to take action, stay informed, and always be open to exploring new and innovative ways to achieve your financial dreams. Your velocity banking journey starts now. So there you have it. Velocity banking without a HELOC is totally doable. Remember, it's not about the tool itself, it's about how you use it. Whether you choose a personal line of credit, a business line of credit, or even get creative with another strategy, the key is to take action and stay consistent. Just like with anything worthwhile in life, velocity banking requires effort and dedication. But trust me, the rewards are well worth it. Imagine paying off your mortgage years ahead of schedule and freeing up all that extra cash flow each month. Don't let the lack of a HELOC hold you back from achieving your financial dreams. Get out there, explore your options, and take control of your financial future today. I believe in you.